So hello class, now today we are going to discuss about array sorting. So we all know in previous lecture we learned about some operations of array like searching, and the second one is sort, and then insertion, deletion and merging. So now in this lecture we are going to discuss about sorting in array. Basically there are two types of sorting. The first one is selection and the other one is bubble sorting. And if you are talking about sorting, then sorting means changing number in ascending or descending order. And we all are very familiar about this one. What is ascending or descending? Increasing or decreasing order is there, okay? So let's see what is selection sorting, because in this lecture we are going to discuss about selection sort, and in next lecture we will discuss about bubble sort. So suppose class there is an array, okay, and we all know array used for storing multiple values. So first, second, third, fourth. One, two, three, four, five. Five elements are there. Elements are like just like if five elements are there, then we can store any five number like 5, 3, 4, 1 and 2 is there. तो बेसिकली क्लास फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें ये समझना होगा कि अगर हम सिलेक्शन सॉर्टिंग की बात करते हैं, देन एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपन इन सिलेक्शन सॉर्टिंग, मतलब एग्जैक्टली होता क्या है, वैल्यूज कैसे, बिकॉज वी ऑल नो सॉर्टिंग मींस असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, वी कैन से दैट वेरी इजीली. तो अगर असेंडिंग ऑर्डर मतलब है तो फिर ये वैल्यूज अगर असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में चेंज हो रही हैं, बिकॉज इन लास्ट अगर हम रिजल्ट की बात करें तो हमें रिजल्ट ये चाहिए, वी वांट अ रिजल्ट here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These numbers are changed in this form. कैसे change होगा, this will learn in this lecture. तो अगर हम स्टार्ट करते हैं, so this is 0 indexing 1, 2, 3 and 4. So basically क्लास अगर हम सिलेक्शन सॉर्टिंग की बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पे हमारी जो वैल्यूज होती हैं, जो एलिमेंट्स होते हैं, देयर वाज कंपेयर विद नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट. सी suppose this one is 5, so what 5 do, 5 compare with 3, what I'm saying, this one is compare with 3. So if 5 is greater than 3, if I'm talking about 5 is greater than 3 and the condition is true, then the values are swapped. What is, if the condition is true, then values are swap. 3, 5, 4, 1, 2. ओके, अगर हम पहली पोजीशन से मतलब फर्स्ट इंडेक्सिंग वाली वैल्यू को सेकेंड इंडेक्सिंग की वैल्यू से कंपेयर करते हैं, एंड इफ द कंडीशन इज ट्रू, कंपेयर कैसे कर रहा है, बाय दिस मेथड, 5 इज ग्रेटर देन 3. सो इफ द कंडीशन इज ट्रू, देन द वैल्यूज ऑफ बोथ द वैल्यूज आर स्वैप्ड. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्वैप? means they interchange their positions. 5 is there, 3 is there, 3 यहाँ आ जाएगा, 5 यहाँ आ जाएगा, rest of the things are same. So now again the same position compare with next one. Why not 5? Because it is already done. So now 3 compare with 4. Now what we see, if 3 compares with 4, then here 5 is greater than 3. Now here 3 is greater than 4. The condition is true or false? Obviously false. So if the condition is false, then the same value compare with this one, next element. Now here what comparing is there? 3 is greater than 1. Now we all know 3 is greater than 1, the condition is true. So if the condition is true, then it interchange their values. Like 1 is there and 3 is there. Okay, and then now the same position value compare with last one. 1 is greater than 2. Now is it condition is true? No. So if the condition is not true, then there is a no any change. So basically class हम यहाँ देख क्या रहे हैं, in step 1 this one compare with this one. If the condition is true, then values are swapped, and then the same position value compare with this one. If the condition is true, then swap, otherwise compare with next element. If the condition is true, then it swap, and then it compare with this one. If the condition is true, then swap, otherwise rest of the whole things are in the same way. So अगर हम एक पोजीशन की वैल्यू को वन बाय वन लास्ट तक ले जा रहे हैं, देन व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट कि जो सबसे छोटी वैल्यू है, वेरी स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू, वो यहाँ पे आ जा रही है. क्लियर? नाउ सी, दिस वन इज स्टेप 1. नाउ we are going to work with step 2. Okay, so now what happened in this? 1 is there, 5 is there, 4 is there, 3 is there, and 2. Now again things are going to start. अब दोबारा से वही चीजें शुरू होगी, but the positions are different. Like in here what we see, it compare with 0 to 1. Okay, now here the values I start comparing with this one to this. Now this one is compared with this one. There is no any change, or there is no any process with this one. Now 5 is greater than 4. Condition is true. So if the condition is true, then values are changed. 1 is there, 4 is there, 5, 3, 2. Okay, and now again the same position value compared with this one. 4 is greater than 3. Again value are this one is greater than 1, 4, sorry, not 4, there is a 3, 5, 4, and then 2. Now again what we see, this one is compared with this one. 3 is greater than 2. So if the condition is true, then 1, 2, 5, 4 and 3. Okay, तो बेसिकली क्लास में क्या देखें, स्टेप 1 की बात करें तो जब हमने फर्स्ट पोजीशन की वैल्यू को लास्ट पोजीशन तक कंपेयर किया, देन रिजल्ट में हमने फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू पाई. ओके, एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू सेम थिंग हियर. So values I start comparing from this one to this. So 4 is greater than 5. Condition is false because 4 is not greater than 5. 4 is greater than 3. Condition is true. Then values are swapped. Now 3 is greater than 2. Condition is true and the values are swapped. Okay. Now we are coming with step 3. Okay. So now what we see in this step? Step 3. Okay, so now 1, 2, 5, 4, 3. 1, 2, 5, 4 and 3. So now in first step this position is locked. In second step 2 positions are locked. So if you are comparing, start comparing here, then 2 positions are already locked and comparing start from here. So this one and this, 5 is greater than 4. Condition is true, then the values are swapped. Okay, and now the same position value compare with this one. 4 is greater than 3. Condition is true and the values are swapped. Okay, and now in step 4. Of 5 and 4. 5 is greater than 4. Condition is true. And then in step 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So in finally what is the result? Well, all values are compared and it comes in ascending order. Okay class. So now see what we do. This one is not step 4, this one is the combination of this one. Okay, so in step 4 values are compared and change in ascending.